Hello, my name is Daniel Ball, the IT trainer at the Lee Academy's Trust, and today we're going to be looking at how to publish your Google site. So once you've created your site and you're happy with it, it's really simple to get this published, and you can click the publish button here. Once you've done so, you've got to choose the name of the site you want. So mine has come through as training, but I'm just going to put training test on the end. The name has to be original, and also there are some keywords that it won't allow in your name. Next thing you have to do before you publish is choose who can view your site. Now at the moment this is restricted to my domain, the Lee Academy's Trust. If I want to change that, I can click manage, and it gives me a couple of options. So if I click change here, I can choose anyone can find it. So this is just a website that is public and anyone could find that. I can also restrict it to just specific people. So this is a great thing. So if you've got a student working, you just want very few people, for example, their parents to view that, you can do that and then put in the name of the people you want to share that with. Imagine we're going to put this on the web. I can click save and change that, click done. I also get an option when I'm publishing to the web of whether this is searchable in search engines or not. So I could request that it does not display my site in search engines. Once I'm happy, I can click publish, and this will publish it to the web. If I click on this down arrow next to the publish button, I can see my publish settings. So that's the information I've just done, so I could change that if I need to. I can view my published site. So I can see that there. Or I can unpublish, so this will take it out of the web. Also, just a thing of note, when you're publishing and once your site is published, if you then make changes to your site, those changes won't appear until you click the publish button again. So that means you can do work behind the scenes and then you can publish it. If you aren't sure how your site looks live, but you want to check before publishing it, do click the preview button and that will show you your site in different environments. You can check how it looks on a laptop screen, a tablet screen, or a mobile phone screen. So different options there before you publish, but then once you're happy, click the publish button and then you're live. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, there are a few things you can do. First of all, subscribe to the channel. Second, hit the like button. Third, write in the comments. And fourth, share the video with others. We also have many more videos on our training channel, so do check that out.